Hey yo, what's up guys? This is Maidenkill and today we are going to learn about Java programming language. So get your pen pencil books ready and let's hit it after this intro. So here we are guys, and today we are going to run a Java program using command prompt and Notepad. But before that we are going to install our JDK and we will also install Netbeans. So let's begin. We'll open our browser and first we will download Netbeans. To download Netbeans we will go to this site netbeans.org, and currently we are downloading Netbeans IDE version 8.2. Then we will select the last option, which is all. That would be 221 MB, and yes, hit the download button. You'll be directed to this page and your downloading will automatically start, and I will cancel it because I already have it. Then we come to the JDK part, Java Development Kit. You will be able to download JDK going through this site oracle.com, and you should come across this page. So the current version being used in JDK is JDK 10, 10.0.1, and that is available only for 64-bit system. So if you're using 32-bit system, don't worry, there is an installer file next to JDK 10 which will give you JDK 8 along with Netbeans, and this installer will automatically install both of them together, so you don't have to worry about installing them separately. But today in this tutorial we will install JDK separately and Netbeans separately, and this would be done for 32-bit system. So all of you 32-bit system what users 32-bit system users, what you all have to do is go to Google, type download 32-bit JDK. When you do that, you will come across this Oracle page, which will give you JDK version 8. And yes, so you have to accept the license agreement. As soon as you have done that, I would download this one. This is for 32-bit system JDK, and yes, so I'll cancel it because I already have it. Alright, so our part 1 is done. We'll go to the download folder where our programs have been downloaded, and yes, here it is. So first we will install our JDK, and yes guys, this one is that version, this, which will install your JDK as well as your Netbeans together. And yes, so I'll click the JDK installer file and let's begin with the installation. It would take some moments, I guess. Yes, it has come. So yes, welcome to installation wizard for Java Standard Edition Development Kit 8 Update 171. Alright, next, do not touch this, do not change the location, leave it, click next. And yes, your installation process will start. So here we are guys, back again, and Java Standard Edition Development Kit 8 Update 171 successfully installed. And here we have click next step to access tutorial, API documentation, developers guides, and blah blah blah. For if you want to go through that, you can select next step, but I would close it right now because we have to also install Netbeans. We then go back to the downloaded folders and we will now install Netbeans. So yes, click customize and also select this Apache Tomcat server, which is 8.0.27 version. Okay, after this is done, click next. Read this license agreement. After you have done that, accept the terms of license agreement and click next. And this is our JDK part earlier what we had downloaded, and this would be our Netbeans path. So we won't change those paths and we'll click next. And yes, this is a server, Glassfish server. It is asking for a location where it should be downloaded. We'll leave it as default and click next. Again, it is asking for Apache Tomcat server where it should be downloaded, so I'll keep it default and we'll click next. And yes, as soon as this is done, you'll come to this page and you can either check or uncheck this check for updates. I will keep it on check and we will start with the installation. Yes guys, so our installation is completed successfully. 115 updates successfully installed. Contribute to Netbeans project by providing anonymous usage data. I would not select this and we would click finish. So here we are guys, we have installed our JDK and Netbeans. So that was all guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial video and always take care, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll be back with another interesting tutorial. Till then, Made in Kill signing off.